Standing the test of time, unraveling an age-old phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase that's as enduring as the concept it represents. The test of time. This phrase is rich in meaning and history, and understanding it will not only expand your vocabulary but also give you insight into how time shapes our perception of value and quality. The test of time refers to the ability of something to remain useful, popular, or valued even after a long period has passed. It suggests that time is a filter that separates the temporary from the everlasting. When we say something has stood the test of time, we mean it has proven itself to be of high quality or value over many years or even generations. To grasp the phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Literature. Shakespeare's works have stood the test of time, remaining relevant and admired centuries after they were written. 2. Architecture. The pyramids of Egypt have withstood the test of time, fascinating people with their durability and historical significance. 3. Music. Beethoven's compositions have passed the test of time, continuing to be celebrated and performed worldwide. Understanding and using this phrase can add depth to your conversations and writing. It helps you express appreciation for longevity and quality, discuss the durability and lasting relevance of an idea, creation, or tradition, connect with cultural and historical concepts that are respected and preserved over time. When you want to use this phrase, think about the context. Is it something historical, cultural, or personal? For instance, this family recipe has stood the test of time, being passed down for generations. This building has withstood the test of time, surviving through wars and natural disasters. And that, dear learners, is what it means to stand the test of time. This phrase is more than just words. It's a recognition of enduring quality and value. It connects us with our past and guides us in appreciating what truly lasts. We hope this exploration adds a timeless phrase to your vocabulary and a lasting concept to your understanding of the English language. Keep learning, and may your knowledge withstand the test of time.